My name is Matan, and I am the head of holistic team in Holina. I think the combination between the spiritual that we want to bring, the emotional therapy that we want to deliver, and the physical part, the combination between all those fields create us very special. Actually, I bring the physical therapy. I lead the physical therapy here. The Holina method built from three different fields: the emotional, the spiritual, and the physical. So I'm bringing here I am leading this physical part.
A premier destination for resolving chronic pain and trauma and full body rejuvenation. Nestled in the serene surroundings, our center offers a peaceful sanctuary for individuals seeking deep transformation through evidence-based treatment and soul-centered care. Our exclusive wellness programs are personalized to your needs and designed to cleanse, repair, and restore from the inside out. Whether you're healing from chronic pain, stress, trauma, burnout, or physical imbalance, our multidisciplinary team of doctors, therapists, neuropaths, and staff are here to support every step of your journey. We believe that true wellness is not just about escape, it's about empowerment and integration. Visit us today at holinahealing.com to start your wellness journey with us today. Or like our Facebook or Instagram page. Holina Healing Center. Back to yourself.